Okay, so for today we will have to discuss the quadrantal real numbers. Under these quadrantal real numbers, meron tayong two topics under dito. So, before that, so let's define first the quadrantal real numbers. So the quadrantal real number is supposed a moving point on the circle from its initial point 1, 0. So ito yung kanyang initial point. Dito siya. Then terminates on either ray of the coordinates axis. So each arc length over is called the quadrantal real number. So from here, pumunta ka dito. So that yan yung na-cover na. So ang tawag dito is kung na-cover na is the arc. Arc. Yun yung arc. Tapos yung other term is called the arc length. So kung this is your initial point, tapos this is your pinaka-final point. Yung kanyang final point, doon siya mag-base kung ano ba yung kanya magiging coordinates. It's either 0, 1 o negative 1, 0. Negative 1, 0 kasi nasa siya left part. So diba we have here the partition plane. So dito is the positive and positive. Tapos dito positive and positive dito. And itong kaya naging 1, 0 kasi positive to 0, 1, 0, 1, positive and positive din kasi you will have here nasa y-axis lang siya. Tapos dito, negative 1 and 0 kasi nasa negative axis siya. Tapos dito, 0 and negative 1 kasi nasa negative y-axis siya. It's positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay. So, in relation with that, we have yung subtopic na. First topic is what we call the coordinates of the terminal point of the multiples of. We have the pi over 2, pi over 4, pi over 3, and pi over 6. So, yan. Let's discuss first meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, lima yan. Let's discuss first the pi. So, coordinates of the terminal point of multiples of pi. So, in pi, meron tayong terminal natin. Yung terminal natin, we have the 2 pi at saka pi. Asan ba yung 2 pi and pi? So, meron tayo dito. Ito yung ating pi. Ito yung ating 2 pi. So, meron tayong coordinates na kapag 2 pi, that is 1, 0. Kapag pi, that's negative 1, 0. So, yun lang yung magiging sagot. Now, meron tayong i-consider na pag ang given, nagtatapos sa even, that will be 1, 0. Kapag ang given ay nagtatapos sa add, this will be negative 1, 0. So, ano ba yung mga odd numbers? Anyone? What are the odd numbers? Yes, Borromeo.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9 po.
Okay, so the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. While the even numbers, this will be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So kapag ang number ay nagtatapos sa 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, siya ay odd numbers. Kapag naman nagtatapos ang numbers sa 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, siya ay even. Yan po yan. Okay? Let's have the example. So again, we have to remember the even and the odd. So, example natin, we have here 423 pi. So, ano ba ang 423 pi? Disregard muna natin si pi. Let's focus on the last number or the first digit, which is 3. Now, 423 is what kind of number?
Odd po.
This is odd. So, therefore, our answer will be, coordinate will be, kung odd siya, so mapupunta siya kay pi. So, therefore, this is negative 1 and 0. So, yun lang siya. Next, negative 627. This is also what kind of number is 627? Claridad. Disregard the negative. This is even or this is odd?
Odd po.
Okay, so if this is odd, so therefore magkakaroon ka dito ng negative 1 and 0 as the coordinates. The next is 1974, Mendoza.
Even po.
So this is even. So therefore magkakaroon ka ng sagot na 1 and 0. And the last, Pablo. This is 1,205.
Odd po.
So this is odd. So the last digit is 5. So this is odd. So therefore, we will have negative 1 and 0 as the answer. Okay? Question with this? Ano, madali pa lang. Kasi nasa ano pa lang tayo, add or even. Kung negative siya, it's with disregard mo na the negative. So we just have to focus dun mo na sa last digit of the number or the first. Okay. Another type of multiples, we have the multiples of pi over 2. So yung kanina is pi. Yan. Ito yung kanina pi. Ngayon, nasa pi over 2 na tayo. Now, kung pi over 2, ang coordinates ni pi over 2, this will be 0, 1, and ito sa taas siya. And yung 3 pi over 2, that will 0, negative 1. Siya. Baba. So, taas at baba naman yung ating pinag-uusapan. Yung movement niya, ito may kinalaman na yung sign niya. Kung positive siya, this will be counterclockwise. Kung negative siya, this will be clockwise. Now, paano ba ang ikot ng clockwise? Counterclockwise. So, pag ganun, simula dito, pag ganyan. Pag ganun. Tapos, pag clockwise, ay simula dito, pag ganyan. Ganun. Ang basis natin is yung it's either yung add or it's either yung even. So, be our basis. So, let's have the example. So, again, the terminal is the pi over 2 is 0, 1 and sa ay 0, negative 1. So, we have here the clockwise and the counterclockwise. Example, we have the P. Yung point natin is he has dito kanyang given is 9 pi over 2. So, ang gagawin natin dito is divide muna natin siya. 9 divided by 2. What is 9 divided by 2? That is 4.5. Pag-divide siya. Now, yung 0.5, yung 0.5, ang equal niya is 1 half. Remember, so 0.5 is equal to 1 half. So, magkano ko dito ng 4 pi plus pi over 2. Now, bakit naging pi over 2? Now, this one, yung 1 dito, this will take as pi over 2. Kasi 1 times pi is pi. Kaya pi over 2 na siya. Now, itong pi over 2, ito yung 1 half. So, magkakaroon ko ng 4 plus 1 half. That is 4.5 or 4 and 1 half. Now, let's take this, yung 4 pi. Now, ano ba yung 4 pi? Is this even or this is odd? Armendi?
Even po.
So, okay. So, that is even. So, if that is even, dito siya masisimula. Dito, sa even. Then, mag-a-add ka daw ng pi over 2. Now, ano yung kanyang ano yung sign ng pi over 2? Is this not sign. Ano yung sign ng pi over 4? This is positive. So, positive siya. Ito ito itong pi over 4 ay positive. So therefore, mag-a-add tayo ng pi over 2. So simula dito, sabi dyan is counterclockwise. So simula dito sa ating starting, pupunta siya dito. Now, therefore, yung magiging coordinates niya is 0 and 1. Nakuha po ba? Nagets ba? Okay. So, nagets. Let's move. Next, we have here 27 pi over 2. If we're going to divide 27 divided by 2, what will be the answer? Anyone?
$13.5 po.
13.5. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 13 pi plus pi over 2. Ayan. Again, 0.5 is equal to pi over 2. Now, what is 13? Is this even or this is odd? What is even? Miss Micaela.
Add po.
Okay, so this is add. So, mapupunta siya dito. That is the starting point. Now, ano yung 13? Positive or negative? So, from the given bitang kita naman, it is a positive. Yes. Now, mag-a-add tayo ng 1/2. So, 13 is add. So, kaya ang starting point is nandito. Tapos, it is a positive. Tapos, ang movement niya ay counterclockwise pa din. Now, kung counterclockwise siya, pupunta siya saan? Pataas ba siya or pababa? Miss Borromeo.
Pataas po.
Counterclockwise.
Pababa po.
Okay, bababa. Counter. Ibig sabihin, again, movement ng counter ay simula dito pa ganyan. Imagine nyo yung relo, di ba? Ang relo ay clockwise siya, kaya nga tinawag siya clockwise kasi relo siya. Yung relo, opposite ng relo is counterclockwise. So, kung simula dito, mapupunta siya dito. Kasi clockwise siya, counterclockwise, brother. So, therefore, magiging sagot natin dito is 0 and negative 1. Okay? Question? Nagets po ba? Cedric, anong problema?
Wala po, sir.
Alam ko yun. Gumanon ko kasi. Okay, next we have negative 35 pi over 2. And negative 35 pi over 2, if we're going to divide, what will be the answer?
Gawakan mo kasi yan.
35 divided by 2, what's the answer?
Negative 17.5 po.
Okay, so this is negative 17.5 or negative 17 pi plus pi over 2. Kasi 0.5 is pi over 2. Remember that's negative 17. Now, again, question is 17. What is 17? So, this is add. So, starting point mo is here. Sa add. Now, it is negative. So, negative siya. Now, ano yung movement? It is clockwise daw. Kasi negative siya. Starting point mo is nasa add. It's negative. Tapos, clockwise. Now, saan papunta yung given natin? Pataas o ba? Armen?
Pataas po.
Okay, pataas. Since kasi siya ay clockwise. So, therefore, our answer will be 0 and 1. Okay? Next, try to answer this. Negative 53 pi over 2.
Wala kang food. Yan.
I would like to answer. I guess Asher.
0 and
negative?
0 and negative
tayo?
1 po.
0 and negative 1. Before we get to 0 and negative 1, what is negative 53 divided by 2?
Negative 26.5 po.
Negative 26 pi plus pi over 2. Okay. So, negative 26 is
Even po.
even. Tapos siya ay negative. So, siya ay clockwise. So, kayo magkakaroon ka dito ng 0 and negative 1. So, simula dito, clockwise daw. So, that will be a 0 and negative 1. Nakuha ba? Okay, so we have here the multiples of pi over 3. So, the terminal, meron tayo ditong 4 na terminal. Meron tayong pi over 3, which has the coordinates of 1/2 and the square root of 3 over 2. It's belong to quadrant 1. The next is 2 pi over 3. Ang coordinates na is negative 1/2 and the square root of 3 over 2. Pare-pares naman sila ng coordinate. Pero nagbabago lang naman sa kanila ay yung sign. Kasi it's depend kung saan papatak siyang quadrant. So, ang quadrant ng 2 pi over 3 ay quadrant 2. Kapag naman 4 pi over 3, that's negative and negative. 1/2 in the square root of 3 over 2. That's quadrant 3. Kapag naman 5 pi over 3, it's positive 1/2 and negative the square root of 3 over 2. So that's quadrant 4. Again, so we still have the movement. So we have to remember na kapag positive, that is counterclockwise. Kapag negative, it is a clockwise. And also, we have to apply the even and the odd numbers. So, andito yung, so from here, kung even siya, so dito, so ito yung ating pi over 3. Ito, that's equivalent into degree, it is a 60 degrees. So, yung 2 pi over 3, that is equivalent as 120. Ang, 4 pi over 3 is equivalent as 240. And 5 pi over 3, that's equivalent as 300. And we just have the example, tapos nang kopyahin yung table. So, ang kopyahin nyo lang naman dyan is yung coordinates na 1/2 over 2 and the square root over 2. And nagbabaris lang naman yung sign niya kung saan siya papatak na quadrant. Yun lang. So, let's have the example. Example natin is we have the 55 pi over 3. So, again, we have to divide the given 55 pi over 3. What will be the answer rather if we're going to divide? This will be
18.33 po.
okay, so this will be 18 pi plus yung 0.33 is equal to pi over 3 yan. So yung 0.33 equivalent siya as pi over 3. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng pi over 3. So, we can now identify the coordinates of the given. So, again, this is 18. Ang 18 natin ay even. So, mag-start siya dito. Sabi dyan, positive. 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 Positive yung 18. So therefore, plus pi over 3, move ka lang ng isa. Yan. So mapupunta siya dito. So magiging coordinate na is 1/2 and the square root of 3 over 2. Yan lang. Question? Okay, next example. We have 83 divided by 3 or 83 pi over 3. What will be the answer if we go to divide? Oh, anyone? If we're going to divide 83 pi over 3, what is the answer?
27.67 po.
27.67. This will be 27 pi plus yung 0.67 equivalent siya as 2 pi over 3. So therefore, magkakaroon tayo dito ng plus 2 pi over 3. Okay. Now, meron tayong given dito is 27. Yung 27 natin ay add. So, mag-start siya dito sa add number. Now, 27 is positive. That will be counterclockwise. Sabi dito, plus 2 pi over 3. So, ito yung ating 2 pi over 3. So, sumula dito, if we're going to imagine, meron siyang 1, 2, dalawang movement simula dun sa even. So, therefore, mag-movement din siya ng dalawa papunta simula sa add. Kasi plus 2 daw tayo plus 2. So, therefore, from here, meron ka dito ng 1, tapos 2. Hindi kasali yung broken line sa pag-count. Kasi, yung broken line, that is the coordinate. So, therefore, magpo-fall siya dito sa part na yan. So, magiging coordinate na is yung pi over 3, which has the coordinate of 1/2 and negative the square root of 3 over 2. Okay? Question with this. Nakuha ba? Bakit naging 1/2 and negative the square root of 3 over 2? Okay, so wala. Let's have this negative 158 over 3. It's negative. So if we're going to divide 158 divided by 3, your answer will be 52 pi plus 0.67. Again, yung 0.67 natin ay 2 pi over 3. Negative. Ayan. It's negative 52. So, negative even siya. Start siya dito. Tapos, siya ay negative. So, therefore, siya ay clockwise. Mag-a-add tayo ng dalawa. So, therefore, from here, so this is 1 and this is 2. So, mapupunta siya dito. So, therefore, mag-aaroon ka dito ng 4 pi over 3. So, yung 4 pi over 3 ay dito. So, therefore, magkakaroon ka ng negative 1/2 and negative the square root of 3 over 2 as the coordinate. Clarification. Magtanong kayo kung hindi naintindihan para mabalikan natin. Let's try to answer this. Negative 195 over 3. Okay. Bilyeka, if we're going to divide the negative 190 divided by 3, what's the answer? Bilyeka, what's the answer?
12 pa siya.
Ano?
Ano po? Negative 63.33 po.
Okay, so this will be negative 63 pi negative plus pi over 3 kasi 0.33 yan. Okay, claridad. What is negative 63 pi? This is odd or even.
Odd po.
So this is odd. So start siya dyan. So this is negative. So therefore, that is a clockwise. So saan siya titigil? Kaor. From odd place, saan siya mapupunta?
120 degrees po.
This is 120 degrees or 2 pi over 3. So ayan. So therefore, mag-aaral ka dito ng negative 1/2 and the square root of 3 over 2. That's the coordinate. Okay? Let be multiples of pi over 4. In the multiples of pi over 4, ang coordinates lang naman na is the square root of 3 over 2 and the square root of 3 over 2. It will varies again doon sa kanyang mapupuntahang quadrant. It's either quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4. So again, quadrant 2 is negative positive, quadrant 3 is positive positive, tapos quadrant 4 is positive and negative. And again, the movement, kapag positive, it's counterclockwise. Negative, it's clockwise. So we still apply the even and the odd. So we have the 45 degrees, 135 degrees, 225 degrees, and 315 degrees. So yun. Ito lang naman ang kopyahin nyo para tandaan. Pag pi over 4, ito lang yung coordinates. Tapos negative, positive lang siya.
Sir, ano pong pi yung 0.25?
0.25, that is 0.25. That's 1/4.
Thank you po.
Tapos yung isa ay, ang 0.75 ay 3/4. RJ, can we have the answer? 25 pi over 4.
Uh, 6.25 po.
Okay, what is 25? 6. Mag-aaral tayo ng 6 pi plus what?
1/4 po.
1/4. So therefore, 6 pi is even. So mag-start siya dito. Mag-add ka lang ng isa. So from here, this is positive. Tapos this is counterclockwise. So mag-add ka lang. So mag-aaral ng sagot na anong coordinates nito, RJ?
Square
Square.
square root of 2 over 2, then square root of 2 over 2 po.
Okay, same. So we have positive and positive. The square root of 2 over 2 and the square root of 2 over 2. Okay. Next is the 31 over 4. Sino yan? We'll answer 31 over 4. Kalimutan.
Ako po, sir.
Okay, what's your answer?
31 pi over 4 is equals to 7 pi plus 3 pi over 4. Add po siya, tapos ang 315 po degrees. Ay, square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2 po.
Okay, so it's negative square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so 7 pi plus 3 pi over 4. So magkakaroon ka ng, this is a, add. So start siya dito. It's positive. So that's counterclockwise. Mag-add tayo ng 3. Yan. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So yan, naging ano siya. Square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2 kasi it's belong to quadrant 4. Okay? Next, negative 99 over 4. We'll answer this. Kaela. Okay, what's your answer?
Ano po? Negative 24 pi plus... Ano po siya eh? Negative 24.75 po.
75 is 3/4.
3/4.
Oo. Ang 0.25 ay 1/4. Ang 0.75 ay 3/4. So, this will take us negative 24. So, that is a even. Ito siya. It is negative. So, clockwise. Mag-add ka ng 3. Saan siya mapupunta?
Sa negative square root of 2 po over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2 din po.
Okay, so the same. That is a quadrant 3. So, negative and negative. Okay, so the last is negative 269 pi over 4. Pero ngayon,
Negative 67 pi plus pi over 4 po. Tapos, ang sagot po ay negative square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2 po.
okay, so this is negative 67. So, 67 is add, tapos it's negative, that's clockwise. So, mag-add tayo ng isa. So, nito lang siya. So, quadrant 2. Kaya magkakaroon ka ng negative and positive the square root of 2 over 2. Question? Nakuha ba? Okay. So, kung nakuha, let's have the last multiple. That is pi over 6. So, in the coordinates of pi over 6, magkakaroon ka dito ng square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. Para lang siyang katulad ng pi over 3. Kaso, baliktad lang. So, magkakaroon ng square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. So, this will be, magkakaroon tayo ng a positive, that's counterclockwise. Positive, counterclockwise, negative is clockwise. So, ganun lang yun. So, ang pi over 6, remember, ang pi over 6 or 1 over 6, equivalent yan ay 0.16 or 17. So, pi over 6 is equal to 0.17 or 0.16. 1666. Ang pi over 6, equivalent yan ay 0.83. So, ayan yan. Okay. Let's have the example. Example 1. Pablo, 55 pi over 6. Sa'yo to. Number 2. Claridad, 101 pi over 6. Uy, wala sa Claridad. Wala siya nawala. Ito na nga lang. Bilyeka, sa'yo to. 101 pi over 6. Na-disconnect kasi si ano. Next, Johan, negative 131 pi over 6. And, syempre, mag-uulit tayo. Ayan, si Claridad na. Dahil natin si Claridad. Sayang sa iba, magsagot na.
Sir, ano po yung 0.83?
Ay, sulat ko na yun. Ito na si GCASH. Well, yan no. Cedric, andyan ka na? Cedric, ang sa'yo ay negative 217 pi over 6.
Sir, ano po yung ano? 0.6.
O yan na, nasulat ko na.
0.6
Pumangat.
po, sir?
Oh, 0.16, round off mo. Di ba 0.17?
Okay po. Thank you po.
Sir J, ano po yung sa akin ulit?
55 over 6. Meron na? Okay, so let's answer this. Bilye ka. 55 over 6. What is the...
Wait
We're
lang,
going to the
sir.
next answer. Bagal.
Bakit?
Wala ka bang calcu dyan?
Wala po, mano-mano po.
Balikan natin ito. 101 pi over 6. Yung sasagot nito.
Sir, akin po yung 55 pi.
Sa'yo ba yun?
Yes po.
May sagot. Sa'yo na to, Belyeka. 101 pi over 6.
Sige po.
Ikaw na. Yes, Pablo. 55 over 6.
Square of 3 over...
Hindi. Divide muna natin.
Ano po? 9 pi plus pi over 6. Tapos add po siya.
Add. Tama. Add siya. Tapos mag-add ka ng isa. It's positive. So, it is clockwise. Papunta siya saan? Sa...
Pababa, sir.
Ano mag... pababa. So, isa lang. Yan. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng... ito. Ito yung ating susundin na. Ito. The 30 degrees. Tapos, 150 degrees. Tapos, isang 7 pi over 6. That's 210. Tapos, ito. 330. So, saan siya mapupunta? Sa 210. Yung 210 ay 7 pi over 6. So, therefore, your answer will be negative the square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. Okay na. Bilya ka. May sagot na? Wala na si Bilya. Sabihin natin siya. Let's have negative 131 pi over 6. Johan, sa'yo ba to? Okay. What's the answer?
Negative 21 pi plus pi... Ay, 5 pi over 6 po.
Negative 20,
21 po.
21 pi plus 5 pi over 6. So this is negative 21. So this is add
Po.
tapos negative. So ilang movement siya?
5 po pataas.
5. So parang dito na mapupunta siya sa
Quadrant 1 po.
quadrant 1. That's pi over 6. So therefore, magkaroon ka dito ng What's your coordinate?
Square root of 3 over 2 and saka po 1/2 po.
Okay. Yeah. Next. That's claridad. Negative 217 over 6.
Negative 36 pi po plus pi over 6 po.
Okay, negative 36 is given. Tapos move ka ng isa, mapupunta siya sa, that is a negative clockwise. What's your coordinate?
11 pi over 6
yan.
po.
Coordinate tayo.
Yung square root of 3 over 2 tapos po negative 1 over 2.
Okay, so yun yung ating magiging sagot. Tama. Let's go back with Belieca, 101 pi over 6. Jeremy, andyan ka na ba?
Po.
What's the answer?
Ano pa? 16 pi po.
16 pi. Ano i-add natin?
Plus 5 po. Plus 5 pi po over 6 po.
Over 6. So, 16 is even. Tapos siya ay positive. Papunta siya saan? Anong quadrant?
Move 5 po.
Okay, so mapupunta siya sa ano? Anong terminal?
Pababa po, sir.
Positive? Positive na counterclockwise?
Ay.
Di pataas.
Pataas po pala sa akin po.
Pataas. So, mapupunta siya dito dito. Sa 5 pi over 6. So, therefore,
Ito pa.
meron ka dito ng 3 over 2 and 1/2. Okay na.
Ayan.
Anong sagot mo? Yung kabila. Okay, so let's, this is negative the square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2 as the coordinate of the 101 pi over 6.